Right, there's a big pool competition in the Token Bar. Makati, this guy here just told me he's the best. What's your name?
Aris Malmis.
Is that right? Do you think you'll win?
But here they have a lot of good players. But for now, here no one can beat me.
Well, he thinks no one can beat him. We'll soon find out, won't we? Anyway, good luck.
Thank you.
There's pal. Well, the pool competition's about to start. This is just the warm-up games they're doing just now. Some of the players in here are absolutely brilliant. I've got no chance of beating anybody. Rangers fans, guess what? This guy here, Canadian Celtic, don't believe it. Has even got his wee hoop speed tattoo. Oh, bless you. Oh my God, he shouldn't have done it on camera. You get kicked out of the Philippines for that. What's your name, mate?
Jerry.
Jerry. So are you actually Scottish or the Canadian?
I'm the first generation Canadian. My family's
There you go, Canadian Mountie, that's what I meant. And he's supposed to Celtic, unbelievable.
lifelong.
Aye, lifelong. Guy who's running the whole pool competition, Scottish Rangers fan, similar myself, that's him here. His name's Jason. Good guy, I've heard. Neil, Martin, if you ever see this video, watch you from El Nido. Oops, that's okay. Anyway, I've seen some Filipinos. This guy here, he's good as well. What's that? So they all pay 500 pesos to start off with. I'm not too sure how many he's playing. There's 4 tables. That's your Token Bar, man. Makati, Manila. See if you want a beer, come here. The Token Bar. Here he is. Here, Big Jason.
Cameron, this here, this is...
I'll keep it rolling here. This is my big mate out here. Big dangerous Jason, I call him. I've just seen the worst fucking start of a pool game ever. He's worse than me. He's gonna rack him up again. Anyway, back to my big Rangers boy, Neil. No, that's no Neil. That's Jason. His mate's Neil. He's in El Nido. I tell you the truth, folks, I've never heard of this bar until now. I was told about it. It's fucking really nice. Cheap beer. It's only $1.30 for a Sam Go Light. There is. Big Jason, big Rangers fan. Aye, mate, aye. What's your name?
Francis.
Are you from the Philippines?
Yes. Pure Pinoy.
This guy's using that spider wrong, but they probably put the ball anyway. There you go then. Filipinos are good at their sport. This guy Jason's supposed to be the best. I'll soon find out. Takes his pool very seriously. Big Rangers boy. I've told him I'm going to bring a Rangers pennant in. I can put it up on the wall. Token Bar, Makati. That's about 100 yards away from the City Garden Grand Hotel. This is upstairs. There's 3 pool tables downstairs, but if you come up here, there's 4 pool tables. I kept on playing a guy called Neil in El Nido. He worked my ass all the time. But mind you, he did cheat a few times. Probably some of my boys. I don't think that's allowed. Neil Martin. Can't believe you not let me win a game. El Nido. That's amazing. Mahabua Bar, Sports Bar, El Nido. You've got to go there.
Baka magic sarap. Ay, baka bitin
I've got a wee bit of a cold, so if I'm kind of sniffing and whatever, I'm sorry about that, folks. People. Well, after this shot, I'll show you other players.
Thanks.
There you go, big Rangers boy. It's no bad.
5 over there.
He's gone for 5 ball. Good shot. I can't play pool. As the boys in England know, I'm pretty crap. Back to my big Rangers, mate. See if he makes this one. Going for a yellow. Shot, big fella. Head of bar staff. Say hello to the camera. Right, back to this. My mate Jason, all the way from Scotland. Rangers fan, same as myself.
3 over there.
Well, what can you say here? Good shot.
Sorry, it's an accident. Yeah, I called.
Neil, I reckon Jason's better than you. That's him on his game. Chinese champion. He's quite good. Ah, good shot. Told you folks, looking good, isn't they?
That was weak.
Quite a few of them got gloves.
That was weak.
Yeah, my big mate. That's my big mate earlier, big Jason, big loyalist. Big Rangers boy. Well, some guy in here supports Celtic, but I got to get rid of him. Apparently he's a Canadian Celtic supporter. Well, that's the next rounds coming up soon. What to follow, people? Here, it's Kizzy and Q. I've tried to get on the video of this guy putting a ball, but I've not got it yet. Mate, you need to put a ball for the camera.
I'll get one in a bench.
It's for California, one of the beach boys, but he's not doing any more surfing. Always stay, oh, could be Caledonian girls. I hope he puts the ball. He get beat by 6 boys the other day.